Ray at Amy, my dear brothers and sisters, we continue to believe in the power of love. Because God is love. And only in this love can we find genuine happiness in life. Without God, Ray at Amy, your love lacks its origin and fulfillment.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Ray na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating mahal na ilang iglesia?
Opo, Father.
Ray, sumasang-ayon ka ba? Sige na ka muna. Opo, tungkol niya. Ray, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Amy na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating mahal na inang iglesia?
Opo, Padre.
Through the window, I see you waiting. You are smiling, 'cause I'm coming. Your eyes are a story, an ocean of memories, pictures of faces and places, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all. We have it all. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful.
Ray at Amy, kayo ang huling parishioner ko na ikinasal habang ako pa ang iyong parish priest. Hindi ko makakalimutan kayo.
Sunrise, cause a new life, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all.
Ray, you may now kiss not your bride, but your
Make us
wife.
realize we have it all.